Hi there. I decided we will do a little science experiment. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some lima beans, which is a seed, and paper towels. We're going to get them wet, and a baggie. We're going to watch and see what happens to this bean or this seed to see if anything will happen. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have to wet this paper towel. Not too wet, so if you want to do this at home, you can. Not too wet, but wet enough. Okay? I'm going to put it in the baggie. Turn that around like that. So then our wet paper towel is in the baggie. And I'm going to set these lima beans on the paper towel. And I'll show you in just a second. I'm going to use 3 of them so we can hopefully really see what happens. You kind of get, okay, so you, I don't know if you can. We have 1 lima bean, 1, 2, 3 lima beans. Okay, so I'm going to hang them in a sunny place in my house, which is a window right here. And I'm just going to hang them there, and then every day I will do a little video and we will see what happens to these beans. And the beans are a seed. So if we think about it, we'll see if anything happens and how it happens. All righty? Take care. See you soon.